Ever found yourself struggling? Find the perfect blender that can handle everything from smoothies to soups. You're definitely not the only one. Introducing the Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender, the ultimate game changer for your kitchen. With a sleek, brushed stainless finish and a 48-ounce container, this blender combines style and power. What makes it stand out? First, it features 5 program settings, giving you walk-away convenience with consistent, perfect results every time. For those who like control, the variable speed control and pulse feature lets you customize the texture of any blend. The touch interface is not only stylish, but also easy to clean. Plus, the built-in wireless connectivity automatically adjusts settings based on the container size. Whether it's soup, frozen dessert, baby food, or butter, the Vitamix A3500 delivers professional-grade performance. Get the Vitamix A3500 today and make every meal a masterpiece. Click the link before it's gone. Vitamix, because your kitchen deserves the best.